Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get free membership in Prodigy. Just so you know, you have to have two email accounts, one for this, one for your teacher account, and one to make your next teacher account. None of these are my account, they're all my alt accounts. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first you want to go to one of your classrooms with the account that you want to use. Well, first you have to create a parent account. A teacher account, and then put your main account into the class that you're going to use. And then you want to go to Share Prodigy right here. So then once you do that, you want to get to invite your friends by email. So you put in your other email, which this is not a real email, but bill@monkey.com. That's just an example of an email that you could use, but if you press the send invite button, then you will get an email in your other account where you can sign up to become a teacher. So what will happen is down here it will say teacher has or person has created their account, teacher is or person has created their classroom, and then the classroom has to have playing time. So you have to use a different Prodigy account to play on it for just a little bit. And then most of the time, I'm pretty sure you have to wait a few hours. For me, I just woke up in the morning and I was able to do it after doing it the night before. So just wait a little bit after playing on your other account and then come back, redeem your membership, and put it on your main account or the account that you want to give membership. So yeah, it's pretty easy to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.